Hey everyone! If you're on a mission to hit 150 grams of protein a day, you're in the right place. Today, I'm breaking down the top protein sources to help you crush those fitness goals. But first, smash that like button and subscribe for more tips on staying healthy and fit. Let's dive in. First up, we've got chicken breast. It's a lean, mean protein machine with around 27 grams of protein per 100 grams. Perfect for meal preps, grilled, baked, or even in a stir-fry. Look in the comments section for a list of food with the highest protein content. Next, let's talk about eggs. These little powerhouses pack about 6 grams of protein each. Boil them, scramble them, or make an omelet. Eggs are versatile and delicious. Don't forget about Greek yogurt. With up to 10 grams of protein per 100 grams, it's a fantastic option for breakfast or a quick snack. Plus, it's packed with probiotics for a happy gut. For my plant-based friends, tofu is a top pick. You get around 8 grams of protein per 100 grams. It's a blank canvas that absorbs flavors beautifully, so get creative with your marinades. And of course, we can't skip protein shakes. Whey, casein, or plant-based, they're a convenient way to boost your intake. Just blend with some water or milk, and you're good to go. What's your go-to protein shake flavor? Comment below. Last but not least, let's talk about lean beef. With around 26 grams of protein per 100 grams, it's perfect for those hearty meals that keep you full and fueled. So there you have it. These protein-packed options will help you crush that 150-gram goal daily. Remember, consistency is key. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more fitness tips. Stay strong, stay healthy, and keep pushing forward. Catch you in the next one.